Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding cups. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of instant pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, and any desired toppings like whipped cream or sprinkles. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a whisk or electric mixer, and several individual serving cups, typically 6 to 8 ounces each. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now let's mix. Empty the contents of your instant pudding mix package into the large mixing bowl. Then, pour in 2 cups of cold milk. Using a whisk, stir the mixture vigorously for exactly 2 minutes. You'll notice it starting to thicken quickly. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl to incorporate all the powder for a smooth, lump-free pudding. Once your pudding has thickened, it's time to portion it out. Carefully spoon the pudding mixture evenly into your prepared individual serving cups. Try to fill them consistently for uniform portions. After filling, cover each cup with plastic wrap, pressing it gently onto the surface of the pudding to prevent a skin from forming. Place them in the refrigerator for at least 5 minutes to chill and set completely. Your pudding cups are now ready for the finishing touches. Remove them from the refrigerator and add your favorite toppings. Whipped cream, sprinkles, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup are classic choices. You could also try fresh fruit, crushed cookies, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These easy-to-make pudding cups are perfect for a quick dessert or snack. Enjoy your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.